I've got a vintage Singer, model 1591. Serial number is AK938377, and it's from 1952. Basically, the motor's been rebuilt and rewired. The light's good, passes the tap test, doesn't flicker. Well, let's turn this out so you can... No flickering on the light. And it's got a new pedal cord, and the standing in does not come with the machine. It does need to be mounted in either a carry case or a cabinet. And just going to show you how well it stitches. I've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photos in the ad. There you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides. Next I've got 4 layers of a thin leather. This is typically found on dress jackets, skirts, and I believe purses. Machine's got good speed. Good speed control too. The foot pedal's been cleaned electrically inside. And there you can see there's an equal stitch there, both sides. And finally, 4 layers of vinyl upholstery.